This is problem 2 of Standard 8 SPA 3. We're still dealing with statistics and probability, and specifically scatter plots. We're going to use the equation of this scatter plot model to solve problems interpreting slope and intercept in context. Roberto made this scatter plot to show how the school record in the boys' 400-meter run has changed over time. So look, boys' 400-meter run records. Here it is. At the first year that they started keeping records, it took about 50.5 seconds for somebody to go the 400-meter run. The record as we went along, after 50 years later, that time had reduced to about 46.5 seconds. So as time went on, people got faster. The number of seconds decreased. The slope on this is negative. So let's do this. Let's draw a line of best fit so we can see it first. Okay. If we start right about here, let's look at how, if we start about here, what it would look like. Okay. I might need to bring this end down some, huh? Let's bring that end down some. That looks like a good line of best fit, doesn't it? Okay. So let's see what this tells us. The slope of this line. The slope of this line is going down. The school record has decreased. Okay, the school record. Well, let's see what the school record does. Let's find the slope. Let's find the actual slope. Okay. And we can do that like this. We're going to find our m. Our slope is our m. Our change in y over change in x. Let's find 2 points on our line here that would work, that are easy to figure out the numbers on. Let's see. That looks like that's about in the middle. So if we use these 2 points, this point is at 0, 50.5, right? 0, 50.5. This point here is at about 40, 47.5, right? 40, 47.5, okay? Let's draw our triangle so we can find our rise over our run. Okay, and we are going down how much on our y-axis? Our change in y is 50.5, here's our y, minus 47.5, okay? 50.5 minus 47.5 gives me 3. Okay, now from here to here, I'm going from 0 to 40. And that would be 0 minus 40. 0 minus 40 would give me negative 40. 3 divided by negative 40. Okay, let's divide that. 3 divided by negative 40 would give me about 0.075. It's approximately equal to negative, going down, about 0.075 seconds per year, right? So the school record has decreased at a rate of approximately 0.08. That's close, isn't it? 0.08 seconds per year. That's close to it, isn't it? That makes sense. Okay, let's check and see if these others make sense. The current school record is about 50.5 seconds. No, that would be the record 50 years ago, right? The current school record is about 46.5 seconds. The current school record is about 46.5 seconds. Yes, but that doesn't tell me anything about the slope. And we're interpreting the slope. Remember, the slope is what we're looking at right here. The school record is at a rate of approximately 0.04 seconds per year. No, it's going down at about 0.08. I've got it as negative 0.075. Isn't that close to negative 0.08 if you rounded it? Okay, so that would be our answer. The school record's decreasing at a rate of 0.08 seconds per year because that deals with the slope. Even though this other answer was right, it had nothing to do with slope. It just dealt with 1 point.